Okay, so we're gonna work with that data set, and it's gonna be the analysis is gonna be a mixed ANOVA 2x2. The design is a BW design. The dependent variable is on the continuous level is the job offers. The independent variable, the within subject, is picture or no picture on professional online uh, media. And the between subject factor is the fact that the applicant either own the pet or does not. So we could look at outliers, although it's a very small sample, so we probably won't change anything. We can pull a graph. I've already built it. It's a box plot, and we can see that we have two outliers, row 39 and row 4. So going back to the data, row 4 is really here and 39. But then again, since the sample is very small, we are going to keep the data. Same is going to happen on the normality of the data. We are going to assume normality because it's a very small sample. Although if you look at it, you're going to notice that the no picture is actually has normal distribution, and the picture of a pet does not have a normal distribution. So let's get started on the analysis. We go to Analyze, then General Linear Model, Repeated Measure, and the within subject is going to be the pet, no pet picture. It has two levels. We're going to add it, define, and then that's going to be one of them. And then the second item, picture, no picture. And then we're going to have between is going to be the pet status, and the between, yes, that's that status. Then we're going to go to plots, and then we're going to have pet status that we're going to add here as a measure, then the picture, the other, and then we're going to have the independent variable by the second independent variable. They're all here. And then we're not going to have post-hoc because our independent variable have only two levels. And then on the options, we're gonna get display the mean for all factors, and then we're gonna select descriptive statistics, and then we're gonna want the effect size, and then the observed power, and then here we selected that, so we're gonna compare all the means, and on here we're gonna select the Bonferroni, and continue, and we're gonna click on OK here, and there we get the data. So pet, no pet, 23 in pet owners, 17, so that's the 40, and then going down, that's the descriptive statistic that we're going to use in the result page, and then multivariate, zero, significant is 0 because we have only two factors, two levels. So since the case, we can use the sphericity assume. And then continuing back, we have all of the data that we're gonna use in our analysis. So what we need to see is that, and we also have, of course, the graphs here. And what we see is that the pairwise analysis, if you look at all the pairwise analysis, they're all significant. As a result of that, we're gonna have to run the simple effect for that analysis. So the way we do that is I have that written down here. And what we do is that we go to File, New Syntax, and then we paste the analysis, and then we run it, and then that's it here. That was the syntax we just ran, and here it is with the new information and that we're gonna have in a result in the simple effect portion of the result page. And then last we do a graph, and we're gonna do a bar chart. We're gonna do a cluster. So we're gonna copy those two here. Okay. And then mean we can display, apply. I'm gonna reset that. Okay, then pet status, there we go. There we go, finally. And that's the graph we're gonna have in our representation.